When people say suya, they usually mean suya steak. It's the most popular rendition of suya, but really you just need that delicious suya spice and you can make anything into a suya inspired meal. So let's make some suya beef burgers. I've got my minced beef and I'm just seasoning it with a number of powder seasoning, including the suya, of course. I'm also adding some egg and some breadcrumbs, and that just helps when it comes to combining this and making it into a patty, and then some onion as well adds a nice crunch to the burger. So here I'm just mixing everything together, and once everything is mixed together, I start to make my patties. So I roll a ball and then I flatten this out. So for about 500 grams of minced meat, you can make around 4 decent sized patties. So you want to take these patties away and grill them or oven bake them. If you oven bake them, you can bake them for about 25 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. And then I'm going to start to prepare all of my fillings. So here I've got a large tomato. I am just slicing this. I'm also slicing some red onion. I've got a bit of oil in a pot, and I'm just going to start to pan fry those tomatoes and also pan fry and caramelize those red onions that we just sliced. So once these have started to soften and they've started to cook, I take out my tomato and I then toast my burger buns. I keep my onions in there just to let them cook really until the end, because the longer you cook it, the more caramelized it gets. Here I'm just showing flipping the patties and then how they look when they're complete. And now we combine everything together. So you start with your buns, then you get your sauce, then you get your lettuce, your tomatoes, your patties, you add some onions on top, and you add some more sauce as well. Chuck some chips on the side and enjoy this juicy and delicious suya burger. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.